Hi, my name is Zarifa and this is problem number 38 on page 507 in section 8.1, which is about finding angle measures in polygons. So we got the question over here. The question is, polygon ABCDEFGH is a regular octagon. Suppose sides segment AB and segment CD are extended to meet at a point P. Find the measure of angle BPC and explain your reasoning. Include a diagram with your answer. So first, what we can do is draw out the regular octagon. It's over here, and I labeled it through A through H. A through H. And it says it's a regular octagon, so we know that a regular polygon is always equilateral and equiangular. Equilateral basically means equal lengths or equal sides, and equiangular is equal measure. So that means each one of this angle has the same measure. So to find the measure of each one of these angles, we can use this equation. N minus 2 times 180 divided by n. And for this equation, n basically means the number of sides. And we know that it's an octagon, so that means it has 8 sides. So 8 minus 2, so we can put 8 for 9, and 8 minus 2 times 180 over 8 is 135 degrees. Now we know that each one of this interior angle has a measure of 135 degrees. Now let's go back to the question. Suppose sides segment AB and segment CD are extended to meet at a point P. So that means segment AB and segment CD are extended to meet at a point P. So that means these lines are extended to meet at the point P. And the question says find the measure of B, P, and C. So we have to find the measure, for P. And one thing about exterior angle is they always have the sum of 360 degrees. So it doesn't matter what kind of polygon it is, how many sides there is. It always has the measure of 360 degrees. So we can use this equation. Okay, 360. Which is the measure of the angles and of the exterior angles, and 8, since there are 8 sides, and we get 45 degrees. So that means each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degrees. And so that means the interior angle for B is 135, and the exterior angle is 45 degrees. Sorry, it's not clear, but I'll try it again over here. And another way, and if you want to make sure, like, you can just do the opposite. So 45 degrees is the measure of the exterior angle, so 360 over 45 equals 8, which proves the fact that there are 8 sides in this polygon. And now I just enlarged this triangle over here, so B, P, and C. So we know that the exterior angle for B and C is 45 degrees. Therefore, and we know that the sum of a triangle is always 180 degrees. So the interior angles and their sum is always 180 degrees for a triangle. So we can just add 45 plus 45, which equals to 90, and then since the sum is 180 degrees, 180 minus 90 equals 90. And 90 degrees. Therefore, the measure of angle P is 90 degrees. So this is just an enlarged picture, and the answer is 90 degrees.